Hi everyone. So today we're going to create a random message using the LCD and Arduino. So here we need this breadboard and the other one also is we're going to connect this into the negative line in breadboard. positive to positive. Right there. So as we can see, it's all set up, and the other one is from this. We're going to put into the breadboard. This D12. We'll put this right above the other wire. Right there. Okay, and change this color. This one also is doing this to put in the D11 in Arduino. Change this color also. So we will do this the same as this. 4 wires right above them. We're going to put this wire right at D5. D5 right there. Change this color, same as below. We're going to continue putting these wires, connecting these wires right at D2. We're going to put this at D3, and after that we're going to D2. Alright. So after that, it's all set up. And we will put some codes to put a letter in this LCD. Alright, so here we go. I have copied already the code, and I'm starting to simulate. So here it goes. We can see here that the code is okay, just running, and alright. Okay, so as we can see here, the codes is running in LCD. It is correct. So that's all, and thank you for watching, guys.